Hi guys, welcome to Hardware and Info channel. Today I will show you how to manage Google passwords on your DOOGEE S100. Our first step to do that is opening Google Chrome, and now we must press 3 dots on the right corner and go to the settings and hit Password Manager, and there we can manage our Google password. If we press the gear icon, we can turn on and turn off some function, which we can describe what is it right there, or we can manage our password, which our smartphone remember. In this case to the Facebook probably. To manage it, we click there. Now we must enter our look screen, and there we can copy our email, passwords, or after we press this ice icon, our smartphone show us password which remember. We can delete this by delete and confirm delete again. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.